Okay, and next, Kelvin. I'll give you
Yes.
the clicker here and let you talk about your idea with Kurt. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hello, my name is Kelvin, and today I want to introduce to you all Karneyium, a geographic data platform that will help democratize and accelerate clinical trials. So imagine you're a drug company developing drug A for a digestive disorder that's affecting millions of people. As you start to think about taking your drug through the clinical trial process, you realize how difficult it is to find patients, and that's because a majority of trials are launched in research-oriented institutions, and now drugs require very specific patient populations. Now, to continue moving your drug through the clinical trial process, you can generally take two routes, but both of them have their challenges. So you could leverage a contract research organization for your clinical trial needs, but you may find yourself in a multi-year clinical trial backlog. That's you at the back of the line. You could also choose to execute these clinical trials yourself. However, it's very difficult finding uncontested clinical research sites. So again, this is you competing with 3 other companies for the same patient population. But both of these routes can result in delayed patient recruitment, which can snowball into very costly consequences, one of the biggest being unrealized revenue of a drug prior to its patent expiration. But that's not the biggest consequence. Delays in clinical trials can slow down the speed in which your life-saving drug makes it to market, which ultimately affects millions of patients that are battling diseases each and every day. So patient recruitment and site selection tools have been in the market for some time now, but they're simply not getting the job done. And with so much innovation that continues to happen within this space, solutions are still leveraging saturated clinical site networks, individual patient matching services, and databases with only a site or PI's past performance. Karneyium is solving this problem by developing a platform that connects the drug development industry to untapped sources of patients and principal investigators within community health systems. Our product offers enrollment prediction models as well as tools to automate even the slowest of processes so that companies can identify the right sites with the right patients, with the right diversity, all at the right time. And our value proposition is simple. We accelerate clinical trials with better data and enable clinical research opportunities to reach patient populations that are generally excluded. As I like to put it, we tell the stories of community health systems in the form of real-world data products so that these community health systems are chosen as clinical trial sites. And the market opportunity for our venture is sizable. The US clinical trial market is $25 billion. $6 billion is spent in patient recruitment and site management services, and then $454 million is spent in phase 3 chronic condition and mental disorder clinical trials. We've decided to start there because during the customer interviewing process of this program, we talked with a lot of community health systems, and they believe that these therapeutic areas are where they add the most value. So our business model consists of 3 tiers. We have a subscription-based revenue model for access to our platform. We also are going to have a revenue model that's predicated on access to our AI capabilities. And then we're going to have a premium service model where we offer customizable solutions and services. So where are we now? Our data pipelines and cloud architecture are complete. We do have an MVP, and our AI predictions models continue to be configured at this moment. So specific ask, I really just wanted to focus on the last bullet point, and that's that we're interested in finding EIRs with expertise in the tech industry, drug industry, as well as marketing, because honestly, we need help across the stratification of subjects. So for example, solidifying our customer outreach and go-to-market strategies, identifying potential accelerators to pursue coming out of this program, as well as just help maximizing our productivity even with lean resources. So over the next 6 to 7 months, we plan to go live with the pilot platform. In December, our AI solution should be trained. And then in Q1 of 2024, we plan to commercialize our platform. So this is our team with expertise in the following subject matters: geographic information systems, clinical trial and drug development, data science, and some AWS cloud development. And really, I just wanted to conclude this presentation and say that with your help, we can truly unlock the potential that community health systems have as clinical trial sites and enable clinical trial opportunities and their cutting-edge technology to be more accessible, inclusive, and above all, more equitable. Thank you.
Thank you, Kelvin.
Thanks.
Any questions for Kelvin? It's a big idea.
How do you get all the data of all the patients out there for the phase 3 clinical trials?
Yeah, for the patients or for the trials?
For the trials.
For the trials, it would be sponsors that are looking to start developing their own drug, or even CROs that are looking to place or select sites for trials. That's how we would get that information. Now, the patient data, we would have to team with individual community health systems that are looking for additional opportunities. So during the customer interviewing process, there are a lot of community health systems that are looking to diversify their revenue, and they see clinical trials as a potential profit center to diversify their revenues.
Anybody else? Okay. All right.
Thanks.
Thank you, Kelvin.